With the UK facing a cost of living crisis, it's more important than ever that people are supported to know and claim their human rights, and that those in positions of public power are held accountable. In this video, the RITES Committee explain how our Human Rights Act can and has been used to advocate for people accessing welfare benefits, and how repealing or reforming our Human Rights Act would remove one of the most powerful mechanisms to challenge harmful economic policies on a national and local level.
The Human Rights Act, the cost of living crisis and welfare benefits. The cost of living crisis will impact people in receipt of benefits particularly hard, especially as benefits are currently worth 11% less than they were 10 years ago. This is particularly true for disabled people who face extra costs of £583 per month on average. 24% of families with disabled children face extra costs of over £1,000 per month. Expenses include both specialist goods and services, such as stair lifts or screen readers, and greater use of non-specialist goods and services, such as private transport and additional energy costs to power assistive technology or to keep warm with limited mobility. Our Human Rights Act has been used to protect disability premiums designed to help with this additional cost, and the Article 14 right of the people entitled to extra support not to be unfairly disadvantaged by changes to the welfare system. This includes people whose mobility is limited by their mental health and who may need help to pay for alternative forms of transport because of learning disabilities, autism, anxiety or early dementia. Our Human Rights Act has also helped protect child benefit for children with special educational needs who need to be homeschooled. Older people are another group likely to face additional energy costs, and 18% of pensioners are in relative poverty after housing costs. The European Court of Human Rights has found that changes to laws should not disproportionately deprive somebody of their pension. Our Human Rights Act has also protected public body workers, such as NHS workers, against unfair suspension of their pension benefits. Another key issue facing disadvantaged groups is the benefit cap, which risks pushing households into deep poverty. An average capped couple with 2 children is £150 a week below the poverty line. Benefits are covered by the right to enjoyment of possessions in the Human Rights Act, Article 1, Protocol 1, and must not be applied discriminatorily. Courts have found that where regulations such as the benefits cap disproportionately impact the human rights of certain groups, such as disabled people or survivors of domestic abuse, they should not be applied. Our Human Rights Act and its protections are more important now than ever. Write to your MP and tell them to stand up for our human rights.